Students, in this video, let us solve few problems on homogeneous partial differential equations. So we are discussing solution of homogeneous partial differential equation involving derivatives with respect to only one independent variable, either x or y. Whatever the dependent variable, it contains only one independent variable. That's the case we are discussing now. Suppose dou square z by dou x square plus z is equal to 0. So this is the equation having only one independent variable x. Dou square u by dou y square plus 2 dou u by dou y plus u equal to 0. So you can observe all right side terms are 0. That is, those are called homogeneous partial differential equation, and also particularly we are discussing with respect to only one independent variable. So in the first example, you can observe the derivative involving only with respect to x. The second example, derivative involving with respect to y. Suppose if we have dou square u by dou x square plus 2 dou u by dou y equal to 0. This is also homogeneous, but this type we are not discussing because in this example, so the equation containing both x and y are independent variables. So what we are discussing, the derivative involving with respect to only one, either x or y. Let us solve the problem with the condition. So here the problem is dou square z by dou x square plus 4z. Observe, we have the equation, throughout the equation only x is a independent variable. So given condition is x is 0, z is equal to y, and dou z by dou x equal to 2. So first, observing z is depending only on x. So let us take z is a function of two variable x and y. Since it is given derivative with respect to x, so let us straight all in a entire problem y is a constant. First you analyze this. Okay, since x derivative is containing only independent variable x, you can convert the given PDE. Given PDE can be transformed to ODE. So means we write dou as d square z by dx square minus plus 4z equal to 0. Then you know solving method of this. So when it is d, you can write symbolic form of this as d square plus 4z equal to 0. So z is a dependent variable on x, means you have to obtain the solution of z in terms of x. So now write the auxiliary equation as m square plus 4 equal to 0. So from this m is plus or minus 2i. So then we write complementary function of this is c1 cos 2x, because x is an independent variable, plus c2 sin 2x. For your convenience, in terms of c1 and c2 first you write. Then anyhow we are solving homogeneous PDE. Right side is 0. There is no particular integral part. So the dependent variable z is having only complementary function. When you are writing final general solution here, replace c1 and c2 as function of which variable you are treating constant, because we are solving partial differential equation. So means we have to take c1 as f of y cos 2x, c2 as g of y sin 2x. So this is a general solution. Let us take it as 1. Now, given condition having the derivative z with respect to x. So first we differentiate this z with respect to x partially. So dou z by dou x means you are treating y is constant because it is partial differentiation. Y is constant, we keep y here, f of y here. Then what is differentiation of cos 2x? It is minus 2 sin 2x. Then keep g of y as it is. What is differentiation of sin 2x? 2 cos 2x. So this is, we take equation 2. Now we take the condition one by one. So x is common point. This point is common for two conditions. So first x is 0. X is 0. Z is e power 2y. Z is e power 2y. Where? In equation 1. In equation 1. So taking that, e power 2y equal to, since x is 0, cos 0 is 1. We get f of y, cos 0 is 1. Then sin 0 is 0. So we get f of y is e power 2y. Next, we take the second condition. Second condition is what? X is 0, dou z by dou x equal to 2. So x is 0, dou z by dou x equal to 2. In which equation? 2. So it gives 2 equal to, since x is 0, sin 0 is 0. This becomes 0. Cos 0 is 1. 2 into g of y. So 2 into g of y. So 2 gets cancelled both the sides. G of y is equal to 1. Then we got both the result of constant. So substituting f of y and g of y in general solution 1. Substitute in 1. We get z is what? E power 2y cos 2x plus g of y is what? 1 sin 2x. So this is the solution of the given problem. Similar way, the second problem, observe the second problem. It is previous problem you have done derivative with respect to x only. Throughout the equation here, derivative with respect to y. So any number of derivative can be present, all with respect to only one independent variable. In this problem, it's a derivative with respect to y. Given the conditions, z equal to x, dou z by dou equal to 0, and when y is equal to 0. So given differential equation contain partial derivative with respect to y. Partial derivative with respect to y. Therefore, given partial differential equation can be converted as ordinary differential equation like d square z by dy square plus dz by dy minus 6z equal to 0. Then convert this to the symbolic form. It is d square plus d minus 6 into z is common equal to 0. Auxiliary equation, roots. Then complementary function. So first you write for your convenience complementary function in terms of C1 and C2 only. Then we convert it to the exact form. So complementary function based on the nature of the roots. Minus 3, 2. Real and unequal. C1 e power minus 3y. C2 e power 2y. And here we are treating z is a function of xy. Since it is given y with respect to y, so x we have to treat constant. So therefore, in the place of C1 and C2, we have to change function of which variable you are treating constant, f of x and g of x. Then use the condition. To use the condition, we have to differentiate this with respect to y partially, keeping x term constant. So keeping f of x as it is, differentiation of e power minus 3y is minus e power minus 3y. Keeping g of x as it is, differentiation of e power 2y is 2 e power 2y. So use the condition y is 0. Y is 0 is a common point for both the condition. Y is 0, z equal to x in 1. This gives y is 0 means e power 0, here e power 0, both is 1. So we get f of x equal to g of x equal to x. Second condition, dou z by dou y equal to 0 when y is 0. So dou z by equal to 0, y is 0, this is again 1. We get minus 3 f of x plus 2g of x. So solve these two simultaneously like ax plus by equal to c format. We get the result is f of x equal to
2x by 5, g of x equal to 3x by 5. That also you can observe. F of x means x term only you should get. Finally, substitute f of x and g of x in general solution. We get the result z equal to 2x by 5 e power minus 3y, g of x equal to 3x by 5 e power plus 2y.